welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film for you guys the $5 Goodwill challenge. This is Christmas 2018 edition. I took a bit of an unexpected break here on my channel. I don't know why that happened, it just did. And I'm happy to come back and share with you guys this video of the Goodwill challenge. I never miss a Goodwill challenge. It's put together by Hillary from Old World Home. I'm gonna link her channel down below. You can check out a playlist of everybody participating. But basically what it is you just spend $5 at the thrift store or a yard sale or somewhere where you can buy secondhand goods and decorate your house for the particular season. So I went up to Value Village. I had a 30% off coupon and I found one thing that I'm going to give a bit of a makeover to, because I always seem to do that. The thing I found was this sort of French horn looking wreath. And it's really pretty. I must admit, it's very pretty. There's lace red and golds, and someone sort of did a little DIY to it, I guess. But I think it's a bit too much going on. Like, there's a lot of stuff going on here. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a lot of it off. I may add some new stuff. I may like reuse some stuff. I kind of like this gold thing here. I'm not quite sure yet what I will do. But yeah, so I'm gonna DIY it, or not DIY, but deconstruct it and then reconstruct it into a bit more sort of a minimal decor style. So this decor piece here was $5.99, but like I said, I got 30% off. So I ended up spending under the $5 budget, and yeah, so I'm going to get to work changing this up. I'm going to do it gentle thrifty mama style with just some music and sort of fast forward, and I hope that you guys enjoy it.
Just like it should at Yuletide. The parcels are all under the tree, right where they should be. Soon everything is Christmas-fied. Disney bonafide.
I had these just sitting around the house. I think they came from the Dollarama, so I think I'm going to incorporate these into the minimal design.
So fast, I wish I could somehow make them last. Put it in a bottle, stick a label on, saying do not open till summer comes. Right now let's savor this, and underneath the mistletoe get a kiss. The rest of the year may be hard to come by, so right now I'm gonna give it a try. And so are all of you.
So there you have it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to see more videos from me, please consider subscribing so you don't miss a video in the future. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.